welcome to another segment of McKinley's cooking channel. Today, we're talking snacks. This is probably the most frequent question I get is, Ashley, give me snack ideas. Well, today, I'm gonna give you snack ideas. Some of these snacks are gonna be more appropriate for college and dorms. Some of them are gonna be more appropriate for my grad students who are living in apartments. But let's get started. Okay, here we are with our first snack. I just take a banana and I slice it up. I have my peanut butter ready, and I just go ahead and make little peanut butter banana sandwiches. And then I put that on aluminum foil cookie sheet, and we are gonna put those in the freezer. So to take this snack up a notch, we can put a little Hershey's syrup, drizzle it over, and we're just gonna pop these into the freezer and freeze them overnight. All right, you guys, we're gonna get started with our next snack, which is gonna be a peanut butter spread over a rice cake. First ingredient I'm gonna put into the mixing bowl is ricotta cheese. Makes for a really smooth and creamy peanut butter. A big scoop of peanut butter. And then I'm gonna add in some cinnamon, like so. Some vanilla, like tablespoon. A tablespoon of honey. Now we're just gonna mix that up. Now we're just gonna spread it onto our rice cakes. Cinnamon on top. And there you go. Cinnamon rice cakes with peanut butter. All right, here's a few little snack options that I've made into what I like to call a snack platter. So this is just a quick, easy snack platter. It's pretty portable and something you can definitely have in your dorm room as well. My last little snack is edamame. I'll normally just pop it into a bowl, lightly salt it, throw it in the microwave for a couple minutes, and boom, you can enjoy it on your next movie night. If you're wanting to increase your skills in the kitchen, be sure to go to Campus Rec's website under Nutrition, Instructional Kitchen, and sign up to take a class. Also, download McKinley's Wellness app where you can gain more tips, and Buddy here can show you the way. Stay tuned.